Hello everyone. This is a resort for Kim's company. They're all going to be staying here and they invited us to stay here, so it's just a one-night thing. This is a company outing. So I figured I'd show you guys around. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys the drive here or the ride here. There's something in this tree. I don't know if it's like an iguana. There it is. Y'all can see this tree's moving. I could hear like a big bird earlier. Maybe it's like a parrot or an iguana. Maybe some type of lizard, like a monitor lizard. I was just showing the sky. Sorry guys. It's right there on that branch. Oh, there it went. It's a bird. It was a bird. I seen him fly out earlier, so maybe he lives there and he just keeps coming by. It was a big black bird. I don't know if it was like a toucan or a parrot. There is parrots here that just live wild. But here's the company outing resort. You got the pool. Not that deep, maybe 5 feet deep. It's in like the middle of like a forest area. This is supposed to be a hot spring, so I just felt the water and it is hot. It's like a jacuzzi almost, like a hot tub. It's really hot water. And of course, there's so many rooms. I think there's 14 people here. Here's the banister. But me and Kim has our own room. I'm gonna go show y'all guys that now. Try not to show the people too much, because I don't know if they want to be showed. Here's Kim. She's on the phone. Of course, they're grilling out everything. They got all kinds of food cooking. It smells so good here. I got people grilling over there. All the drinks here. Rice cooker. They got different cakes and stuff. Desserts, chilies. And here's inside. They got artwork. This is the only bathroom at the whole place. Or it's the only one with the... Actually, I think there's a bathroom upstairs too. Maybe this is the only bathroom for downstairs. It's got a little shower, a little tiny sink. Look how small the sink is, that's cool. Little baby sink. They got karaoke. What was that? Bee Gees medley. That's what they were singing. Then they got snacks here. They got chips. This is squid balls, chicharrones, and karaoke. Karaoke is a national sport here in the Philippines, for those of you guys that didn't know. Might not be a sport in other places, but here it's a sport. This, I have no idea what this is, but you can almost see around the edges there. There was like towels and stuff in there. I don't know if that's like a little shed or what, but you go upstairs. Here's the other rooms. There's a bunch of other rooms. I think there's 4 beds in every room. And there's 4 beds here. Here's the bathroom. So there's a bathroom for upstairs, and here's mine and Kim's room. We have this room just for us, and it's nice and ice cold in here. Got a big mirror. Hello everyone. I got artwork in here too, but it's peeling. And the beds, we didn't know if we was gonna push these 2 together or if we just might sleep over here, where this has got a table We would probably just both sleep on one bed. Because we have, her bed at her mom's house is maybe a little bit smaller than this, and we both fit on it good enough at least. So we might just end up staying both of us on one bed. And the couch is so comfortable. This is like one of the most comfortable couches I've ever sat on. This thing is, it's like a cloud. You just sink right in. You know it's really comfortable when it's hard to get up out of it. Here's Kim's car. She parked it close to where we could see it. That's by the gate. The gate is right here where you walk in. And of course, whenever they got all the food laid out like a buffet, I might do another part of the video showing that. And this is like a private resort. I don't know if these is people's homes or if it's like, because it's supposed to be a hot springs resort. It's not like all these houses are for rent. I don't think people actually lived here. Maybe this one, because there's a car there. This, I have no idea what this is, but it's like a generator on top. And it's got a wire or rope holding it up, or cable. I don't know if it's some sort of pump or drill or what. But there's that, and we got this big window. It's a nice view. I don't know why the window goes down like that. That's very strange. And here's the view on the other side. This forest area, and here's a big, oh, I thought there was a lake there, but I guess not. The window's foggy, so you can't see too much through it. But these is like banana trees. I don't know if this is bananas, but these might be bananas here. Banana tree. And it's starting to rain harder and harder and harder. The rain is just slowly starting to come down heavy. So y'all can see on this leaf. The leaf is slowly getting weighed down. Whenever I was outside a second ago by the pool, it wasn't even raining. Now it's raining. This is the rainy season here in the Philippines, so it rains basically every single day. At least a few hours a day it rains. Like in the US, we got different seasons. We got summer, winter, spring, fall. Here, they got summer and rainy season. That's it. That's the only seasons they have. Hot and not as hot, but still hot. Look at this mega air conditioner. That thing is 3 foot wide. Keeping it nice and cool in here. I haven't tested the bed yet, but I assume that it's probably soft. Feels kind of soft. Here's my bag. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this or not. But this is my travel bag that I use everywhere I go. I got this from Japan. I collect them all when we went to Japan for our anniversary. This is from the mayor of the Philippines. It's Mayor Art. And Kim calls him Ninong. That means like God father. He's going to be like the godparents of our, if we have kids, which we probably will. And he's the mayor here in Kim's town. And here's just a little guy that we won at arcade. Kim, we played an arcade game, and on the first try she won this. So I clipped it here. And this is really cool. I think it was on our anniversary. Not on the anniversary, it was on the honeymoon. We went to Boracay Island, and on the plane, they had like a gift shop on the plane, and we bought this. It's a little plain seat belt keychain. You can open it, and you could buckle it back up. It's like a miniature seat belt on a plane. It's a really cool souvenir. It's probably one of my favorite keychains that I have. What about you guys? But it looks like a beautiful view to me. How pretty the sky is. The rain just now stopped, so the sky's just opening up. On the way here, there was a view of like a humongous, giant mountain. And it was like, it looked like a mountain out West Virginia, but now it's almost gone. You can't really see it from any angle here. Here's a house on the side of the mountain. It's called the Helix. But I guess that's all for this one. I showed y'all the room, I showed y'all the pools. And if they get all the food done cooking and they lay it out like a buffet, I'll start the video back up and I'll show y'all everything. Kim will walk y'all through the food and show y'all what all they're having and what it's called. So I love y'all. Stay tuned if the video keeps going. If not, I guess this is it. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. As Kim always says, bye-bye. See y'all in the next one. Love y'all.